Hey guys, welcome back to Faro Iron and Customs. Today is going to be a little bit different. My wife and I have some kayaking trips planned coming up, and I got the old kayak out, the old wooden kayak out, and I got to do a little bit of work to it. Last year the bottom was getting a little soft, so I'm going to do some exploring and see exactly how bad it is to figure out what we got to do to repair this thing. But there's the old fiberglass or cedar kayak. It started out as birch plywood. It is a 15 foot. It's built on the, it's a Jeff Spira design boat. Waukesha River, I think, is the name of the plans. But he has a 15-foot design and an 18-foot design, and this is the 15-foot. I kind of redid it. His boat is a two-person boat. I redesigned it to be a one-person boat. I know y'all seen in the videos I'm quite a hefty fellow, and I need a big boat. So let me get this water out, and then we're going to check and see what we got to do to get this fixed. Alright guys, we're not going to get a whole lot done in this video, but we've made a decision. There's a I think it's right here where the front frame is, and one in the middle and one at the other end, and we're going to run 2 keels along the bottom to strengthen the bottom up, and then I'm going to come inside and sandwich 2 more from the inside, and that's just to get it ready so we can have it for this summer. So there's going to be a video next year where I strip the top down. You can see where the fiberglass screwed up, and I need to fix that. And but it's gonna be next spring. The floor's kind of soft in a lot of places, so it's got some mold. We got to get that out. So I'm gonna sit it out here in the sun and let it dry out for a couple of days, and we're gonna make another video on it later this week, and that's going to be all for this one. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Let me get out of the sun. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe, and maybe I'll get another car video before the end of the week. See y'all later.